Add a drizzle of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it's hot, add a chopped onion. Stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Let the onion cook lightly, but don't let it brown. After that time, add 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Stir briefly and cook for about 30 seconds more. Once that's done, add crushed tomatoes. Add a pinch of salt. Stir everything together well again. Then let it all cook gently over low heat for about 10 minutes. One of my favorite things about YouTube is seeing comments from everywhere. Tell me where you're watching from. While the sauce is cooking, we can start boiling the pasta. In plenty of boiling salted water, add a handful of spaghetti. You'll find the full list of ingredients and their exact amounts in the description box. At first, the spaghetti will be too stiff to fit completely in the pot. But don't worry, just wait a few seconds. As it softens, it'll slowly bend and slide into the water on its own. Once that happens, you can give them a stir to help submerge them completely in the water. Let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And I don't like adding oil to the water. The sauce sticks much better to the pasta this way. After about 10 minutes, once the spaghetti is al dente, first save a little bit of the cooking water. And now we can drain the pasta to remove the rest of the water. The red sauce is almost ready too. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes, the same time as the pasta. Now we just need to add a bit of tomato sauce. The tomato sauce will give it a richer flavor and a smoother texture. It'll also make the sauce look even more vibrant and red. Add a teaspoon of oregano. And now, simply mix everything together. And right after that, with the sauce ready and the spaghetti freshly drained, add the pasta to the red sauce. Add a bit of the cooking water we saved earlier. That starchy cooking water helps the sauce stick better to the pasta and makes it extra silky. Now mix the pasta with the red sauce, keeping the heat on high. At this point, the sauce and pasta become one. That's what makes it so good. The heat helps the starch and sauce blend together into that smooth, glossy finish. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious dishes.